Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to create a website on Wix for free. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Now, you have to go to your browser and search for wix.com. Create a website without limits, build and scale with confidence from a powerful website builder to advanced business solutions. We've got you covered. One platform, infinite possibilities. Unlimited creation. Create a website with a complete suite of advanced functionalities and bring your vision to life. Powerful infrastructure. Get an enterprise-grade foundation. Engineered for your limitless scalability and peace of mind. The place for growth. Convert and scale seamlessly with built-in marketing and business solutions. Website templates that set you up for success. Get a head start on your journey with 900 plus free, customizable website templates, strategically researched and tailored for every industry, or start from a blank canvas on our website builder. You can build more than a website. From selling online, starting a blog, or organizing events to promoting your business and building your community. Create a website that can grow with you. And you can also create it your way. Smart drag and drop editor, 1000s of advanced design capabilities, custom domain, logo and more brand tools, full stack web development tools for custom functionality, AI technology that creates a site for you. A website foundation engineered for growth, faster loading. Wix is designed for performance so your site loads faster. Built with SEO in mind. Get the SEO capabilities you need to optimize your site for search visibility. Enterprise-grade security. We keep your site and visitors' data protected 24/7. Resilient infrastructure. Multi-cloud hosting ensures 99.9% uptime even during traffic spikes. Accessible for everyone. Make your own website inclusive with built-in accessibility tools. Now click on Get Started. Here you have to sign up, continue with Google, or continue with Facebook. You can also use your email address. Get a stunning website created just for you. Start by answering a few simple questions and click on Get Started. Here, what is your website for? Travel agency, elementary school, online store, makeup artist, or you can just click on Skip. We can choose online store here. Click on that. Does your website need any of the following features? You can create a blog, take bookings and appointments, and get subscribers. You can also choose to skip. But for now, we can click on Get Subscribers. What is the name of your online store? Enter the name of your online store. You can also add basic information like your name, your email address, your phone number, and your address. Now, pick a theme you like. Keep in mind you can easily change it later. Here we have innovative, serene, vague, elegant, Soho, agency. We have classic, fresh, evolution, minimal, clean, timeless, jet black, bold, and the last one is spark. Now let's pick this last one. Tap continue. You can also use colors from your logo to create a palette for your site. You can use these colors or you can click on skip. But for me it's good. Now, let's try to build site. Let's get you a website. This will just take a moment. Now it's loading, adding sections, choosing fonts, adjusting the colors, optimizing your site and desktop, putting it all together. And there you have now the layout on your website. You can see new arrivals here. You can see below pages, themes, and more. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see your product and the price. But you can also manage sections like you can edit the arrangements, the header, welcome, bestseller, about, Instagram, newsletter, contact, and footer. You can arrange that and then click done. What we're all about. Best in the business. From the moment we opened our doors in 2000, Yeye has been offering customers the best choices at unbeatable prices. Our brand encourages local manufacturing and the use of recycled materials whenever possible. You can add your introduction here. You can also add your Instagram account here so that they can see your post, followers, following, and they can follow you. And here you can add your name, your email address, your subject, and a message so that they can contact you. After that, you can now hit submit. Let's also try to click these pages. You can see home, shop, product page, and thank you page. You can always edit that. And then click done. Now let's try to click on themes. You can always change that anytime. And if you're satisfied with that, you can now hit on publish. Publishing your site will let you know when it's published. In the meantime, you can keep going. You can click on continue editing. Congrats! Your site is live online. Now go to menu, then click view live site. And there you have successfully created your website on Wix for free. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.